Ahee, namukena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course I'm the khayela la Mthimbane. Loyi nga ta hi king link of course na Gagash, and then amakumo of course that hetera timhaka ta Nomonde Roger. So based on our previous update, I'm showing of course my Gagash na Mthimbane I figure la Gagash ave komisa ko hayi avu ikambe Mthimbane na poster yale as you can see. Mthimbane of course ikotini ku va avuya aya le 17 le a perform ivi kota ku va afika le my ko yana mhaka lewa. Na image yale of course arina Gagash va khatini va ri swin'we le 17 yale image kwalano, and then also another image yale a tlhari na Dr. Joe Shirimani ku na vona a va kha va performa le. However, from there boom ka siku ra ti 22 ta September se ku hume beef manjeni. So fika tsala la ku Gagash u hlekise hi vanhu blind, sweswi nkarhi wa wena and a ku na nchumu xa personal ni ba nomo ntsena 3 ya ti-verse. Loko a lava ni nga humesi full song a ni sendeli 5,000 ta yi cancela as you can see kwalano. So in order ku va a cancela this beef hi la ku yi pfula la Gagash fika humesa 5,000 rand. So loko ku va a clip ya around 2 minutes so ku hi laha without wasting any time ku hela ka intro video of course a ri karhi a struggle ku va a tsala ti-lyrics, and then from there ya komisa ku mara what if a famba of course a vona xicherani xa yena a ti lola le maybe loko se a ti lorini of course a nga va na some good lyrics, and then from there ku va ku nghena call from Gagash. Ku nghena call from Gagash.
Mthimbane, mali liya le swa ku ta ni ignore it's not going to work. I can tell you 100%.
So of course ku mhaka leyi Mthimbane fika teka that clip i minkarhi liya a va ri ku holoveni Mthimbane of course a hembini a ku i le xibedhlele. It's that period a nga vuya a nga a performa a 17, so i teke that clip from that period laha of course video yi kona ka channel. Gagash a kha kombisa ku hayi mi ta za n'wi heleketa ka box ya 17 yi nge chayi kahle Nigeria loyi a ta tirha na yena.
Senda mali na mthana a deliverang service nge hi mali nga tirhanga swi kona sweswo se kombela senda mali leyi ni tini ni nge vulavuli na kambe loko ku ri ku u lava nyimpi u ta ku ta yi kuma.
Zamlomo and loko yi sungula laha yi ku Zamlomo yi ni hleketisa ngopfu mhaka leya ya Somlomo ku na xo nge rhangana of course i va kha bifana egimabedle swo twa swi kha swi famba yani hi layini yin'we ku hinkwako of course ku va kha ku bifiwa yena ni hi dinomo va ku hela mhaka leyiwa. Alright. Gagash mlomo ya switulu tona ku nga dlaya vito ra king. So leswi u vula of course wanti wa khandla ti-video leti ta Gagash a swi ta ku munhu loyi a nga na impact it's an organizer minkarhi leyi ka va kha wa holova a swi ta somehow swi n'wi affecta na Mthimbane in terms of gigs. So leswi dyi vulaka swona Mthimbane ku a swi nga ta ndla nchumu in other words. I think leswi dizama ku vula swona ku a vito ra king a nge ri ndli nchumu i vito leri nga tiya swinene, i vito leri nga na timitsu ka industry ya hip hop la ka Gaza la okay.
Mlomo ya switulu never a die vito ra king. Gagash mlomo ya switulu twangara nga die vito ra king. Gagash mlomo ya switulu never a die vito ra king. Facebook and bullying me ningena hardware I need for me so to be a picture number 1 low.
Middle line ai visen kam Evan, okay.
Facebook and bullying me ningena hardware I need for me so to be a picture number 1 low. Every day we're so number 1 in network so some lomo le kulunga ku area near Wi-Fi.
Evan. Ya itsale ku vohuwa kwala mara ntino wena Mthimbane kahle ka xo vela xi tirhisa this opportunity ku a wu swi ndlela ku no huwa mara ni tlhela n'wi khanda hi beef. Evan. Okay.
It's so funny. unamlomo leyi kulublur ngako bebuliwo karuri la xifeke.
I can't read the explanation, guys. I feel like the clip look explaining this straight. There's nothing I can explain here, okay?
Understand. Shuta January police to tsandzeka ku arresta milomo yaleyo. Wo fita don't pass ku ringana na people. Cause milomo ayineli xihlokwani xa pass.
Mara hala mako mno khosi hisa ko mthimba wa yitsa mala hisa kunna. No moya a ringana le pasini. Yeah, say la pass le rabuko. In other words, that's what he's trying to say. And then wow. Hey, I read. Yeah, I don't kind of get comments on one of our soul line and Mtimbane and stuff like that. But as long before like I'm gonna problem, like it does not have a problem. So I'm gonna go and comment and like enough and screenshot what I got the comments go and then can she got a clear to one of Shingas Lava as you can see, of course, as long before Congo now it does not care. As long the bifana straight, the Congo mana straight, unga katso vachari, unga katso lavanga tlhelo ka vona and vona swi right the bifana straight. You are kahle beef that way because if I Congo moon, loko bifana to bifana vele ti ta khati Congo menevo. Swi va swi vona yi nga personal that way. Yi va yi nga personal so yeah, man, one problem is beef yam timbano. As long as you Congo me gagashi vele. And then of course you I got no on the road. Yeah, so kuna video clip I post of course la Africa tsala ku new music vibe as you can see kwara atlanga this song. Yeah. Okay, direct background. So as master theory, though we develop in theory later compare stack and would say a question. No, we are checka which studio like guys and Ghana solution here shown. I was trying to at least maybe one, and then she replied she come love music come studio nah. No, hello guys, this comment here like it is so many questions. Go engine she and shiti kamo go avola go eta arsinchirio. So since it's clear, guys, it's clear as Master Tinga Volo is clear kwa studio. It means there's still a problem. So the big fans lega usingo miss the post abazamuka abalungisa maka I don't understand what exactly is causing the problem. In the theory over theory, guys. Theory should verify the theory until is conclude. Nega makam second adlanyo you the theory until is conclude the magalia. Second monda arrestak is conclude anything. So I told him I couldn't last time. Oh, me say the 12th of October la aku birthday and so hopefully that hela ko leka hosingo arrays. But long time masikula it's impossible ko anga sungula an album yela. Kuma shoko the 23 and wono anga heta album. Ku ya this period nkarhi lowu ntsanana lo ku sweka album yi swekiwa yi saseka yi nga rashiwangi loko swilo swa album swi la ku rashiwa leswi so arrays ta khe vona swi ta kha swi hlamusela ku ni subscribe ba mane ta kha yi fake tihlo yi vona ku famba yini ku sala yini loko ri amukeza subscribe anta kombela mi tlika subscribe
manje futhi la ele getting what ile le what la dengle kuba meni e Port Elizabeth mekunia tisa mtu wa mimi la dengle waya taifika lagu difenge for 15 years 3 days kuya la isa defika la ka aungeni phakathi we wakhela lokuthelisela kaka we ana for an honor of future 2 minutes so ekhela la kaka we owa yashibodi ngepasa ade one mark ayashibodi she famba fast to go ba mandi jeku she slow na she ka famba slow 15 years she famba fast 2 minutes so ikela okay